If you're in the Amazon Influencer Program and you're looking for a quick, easy, free way to download your existing content from Amazon, that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this quick video here. I know sometimes, especially as we are creating videos after videos after videos, sometimes it's hard to keep track of all of those, and it can be expensive to store all of those videos, whether you store them on a hard drive or in the cloud. It costs money, right? Or maybe you're an Amazon influencer who's now a little bit more experienced, but you weren't in the beginning. So you didn't quite have the right systems in place to be able to save all of your Amazon content that you've created in the past. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to go and download videos that you have uploaded to Amazon. Now, you can only do this with your own videos. We're not talking about taking other people's videos. We are just talking about how do you download your own videos, your own Amazon shoppable videos from your Amazon influencer account. So I'm going to show you that right now. But before we get started, my name is Kathleen Coble. I've been an Amazon influencer for the last 4 years right now, earned over $350,000 just from on-site commission alone. And I really do think that my 15 years of Amazon seller experience helped me along the way with that. So coming to you, I'm going to tell you exactly how to solve this burning problem that so many Amazon influencers seem to have. Now, there are paid tools that you can use to do this very quickly and efficiently. I love using Fluencer Fruit. I will make sure to have a link in the description below so you can check out my favorite paid tool, Fluencer Fruit. But there is another way to do this absolutely for free. I'm going to show you both ways that you can do that right now. Okay, so we are on the Creator Hub Manage page. So you need to make sure that you go to this URL right here in order to access this page. Now, like I said, one of the easiest paid ways to do that is through Fluencer Fruit, and all you have to do is click on this button and it's going to download the video for me. Super, super easy. That's it. Now it's in my downloads. Okay. So if you want to check out Fluencer Fruit, I do highly recommend you check it out. I love it, love it, love it. And there's a link in the description below. Now, if you don't have Fluencer Fruit, you can also very easily download your video by going to Manage. Now, once you are in your Manage section of the video, all you have to do is click on these 3 little buttons in the corner for some more options, and one of them is to download. All you have to do, click that download button, and now you've got it downloaded directly to your computer. That's it. Super simple. And there you have it. Could not be easier. Don't beat yourself up because maybe you can't find one of your Amazon videos. This is the easiest way to go and download the videos that you've already uploaded to Amazon. Whether you use a paid tool or want to do it for free, both ways are really simple and quick and get the job done. So if you found this video helpful, I would love if you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that you're always in the know when I publish new videos every week, all about how to earn more money with the Amazon Influencer Program. Until next time, see you in the next video.